Okay, you guys, and I'm back. So we have just used the Honey's Handmade Coconut Cream Infused Carrot Vanilla Co-Wash. Now, if you don't know what a co-wash conditioner is, I'm going to tell you what it means, okay? In the simple, natural terms. So you know, if you wash your clothes, you have detergent and you have a fabric softener. For me, my opinion, I feel like co-washing is like a fabric softener. Your detergent is your shampoo, and your fabric softener is basically your conditioner. Sometimes shampoo can make your hair more dry and strip all the natural oils that you naturally produce in your hair. So some people, when they have wash days, day one, they co-wash in between to stretch out their wash days to be longer. So co-washing is basically washing dirty clothes with fabric softener. This coconut cream carrot infused vanilla co-wash is bomb. But I already knew it was gonna be bomb. You know why? Sponsor me already. Like, sponsor me, girl. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the inside, because I don't think I showed you guys in the video. I love the texture of it because it's not thick and it's not runny. My hair literally absorbed this in like a few weeks. You know how most co-washes are usually runny, on a runnier side? The smell of box, you guys, I thought I was gonna smell carrots in here. I don't smell any carrots. I don't even smell vanilla. It's a really good smell, and it's not heavy. Not a heavy smell. It's very light, very faint. When I detangled with this baby in my hair, it was a breeze, as you can see, you guys. I didn't have any trouble using this co-wash whatsoever. There wasn't no residue. It just glided right through. Even though I always detangle before any of my styles, wash and goes, free pools, whatever, I always rinse my hair out and then use my Denman Brush or my fingers to finger detangle before I use any other products in my hair, because it's easier for products to distribute and penetrate through my hair shafts better when my hair is detangled rather than me detangling it and it is missing gaps in between. And I hope that makes sense. The price is $8. So the packaging is always a 10 because she is so professional. And I don't know, y'all just know I love Honey's Handmade. Like, it's one of my favorite black owned businesses I've used in my hair. All her products are just bomb. So the packaging is a 10 because, like, okay, it's cute. It says Honey's Handmade. It's legible. It has all the ingredients right there. You can read every single one of them. It also shows you, or actually it tells you, how to use the product on the back of the jar. Out of this jar, you also get 8 fluid ounces. Probably I will stock up on this because I usually co-wash more than I shampoo in the winter. So I do wish that the jar was bigger, but this is a good size for somebody who doesn't co-wash as much. Make sure you check out Honey's Handmade. I will link her down below. Thank you for watching my video. My name is GabbyBaddd, and I see you in the next upload.